Where are you now that I need you?
What is going on, guys? It is Plasma here, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use the new subject selection tool. And it is very good. It removes the background of an image so quickly and will make you a PNG in about 15 seconds. It's really good. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So what I'm going to do here is go into Safari, get an image. I searched up Ezekiel Elliott just for the sake of this tutorial. You're going to want to click Tools, make the size large so that it's a high quality image. You're going to right click, copy image, paste it on, / Control T, make it bigger. And then just move it to where I like. And now all you gotta do is be selected on this quick selection tool and just click select subject, and then it's gonna highlight the whole thing and it will be pretty much perfect. Look at that. That's crazy right there. So now I'm gonna do Command C plus Command V, then disable the layer, and look at that. That is pretty much perfect, I think. Might have messed up a little bit here. I don't even think so. But yeah, it's perfect pretty much the whole time. Yeah, they messed up a little bit here, so we'll fix that. Can use the quick selection tool. I'm actually gonna use the polygon lasso tool. And yeah, that's it pretty much. That's really all you have to do. This is one of the best Photoshop updates that's happened in a long time. This will save you guys so much time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I know it was a pretty quick one. Make sure to give me an idea for a tutorial I should do next. And thank you guys for watching. I'm out.